Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. In today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe for vegan chocolate pudding. It's packed with nutrients and protein. So let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire foods. In a pot on medium heat, add 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free vegan chocolate syrup, a pinch of salt, and finally 2 scoops of your favorite vegan chocolate protein powder. Then mix well. I'm using an electric mixer, but if you don't have one, just use a regular whisk. Now we're going to add another cup of almond milk and keep mixing. Now turn up the heat on high and keep mixing from time to time to make sure that it doesn't burn or stick to the bottom. You have to keep a close eye on it because once it starts to boil and thickens up, you know it's ready. Once you get to that consistency, just turn off the heat and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, pour it into a small glass container. Then you can top it up with some walnuts. Now put it in the fridge to cool down for 4 hours. And there you have it, it's absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Also make sure to share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And that's the end of the video guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.